everybody, it's Artist King here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something that's totally different. As I mentioned in my video last Tuesday, I believe, I am in the process of redecorating my office, and I'm trying to, with the type of job that I do, I'm trying to surround myself with a lot of positive images. So I am creating this board. I don't even know what to call it. It's just like something to remind me of who I am as a person. So I've created this image, and as you can see here, it says to be you, because I feel like a lot of times that's where we run into trouble, when we're trying to be someone else. So in order to be you, I feel like we need to know who we are. We need to know what our characteristics or traits are. So I made this board, and I have since put it up in my office right behind my desk. There's a wall behind my desk, and I can't show you all my office, but there's a wall behind my desk where I have put this up after I finished it. So I just want to encourage you guys, if you guys want to do one of these boards, you may want to put it, if you have it at home, somewhere at home, to remind yourself of who you are, or somewhere where you can see it, especially on days when you're having a bad day, or days where there might be people who are trying to tell you what you're not, or what you never will be, or when you just have people who trying to keep you down. You know, we all make mistakes. We all do things sometimes that, we shouldn't do. But there are times I believe that we, in spite of our mistakes and stuff, we always need to remind ourselves of who we are and who God created us to be. I recently celebrated a birthday, and as I get older, I don't really have a lot of tolerance for stupid stuff or for just silly things. So I am of the age where I really don't care too much about what people say or think, because one of the lessons I learned in life, it doesn't matter what people say, it's how you react to what they say. So this is me trying to create something just to remind myself of who I am and who God created me to be. So once again, guys, I'm challenging you guys to do something like this for yourself. It may not be in your office, but do something like this so that you can remind yourself every day of who you are and who God created you to be. Okay, so I'm going to stop here, let y'all see the rest of it. It's almost done. So I just want to remind you, like, share, comment, subscribe. And, I'll see you on my next video. Okay, so that next video should be this coming Saturday. Okay, so you guys have a great rest of the week, and I will see you on my next video. Okay, all right, bye now.